Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your LinkedIn activity for the right job signals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your LinkedIn activity for job signals, log into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Scroll down to the activity section. Click on See All to view your full activity history. Review the posts you've liked or shared. Take note of the industries and job roles that are most prevalent in your activity. Next, analyze the comments you've made on others' posts. Identify any recurring themes or topics that showcase your expertise. Now, check the articles you've published on LinkedIn. Reflect on how these articles align with your desired job role. To deepen your analysis, go to the Jobs section. Use the search bar to enter specific job titles related to your interests. Look for job postings that align with the types of content you have engaged with. Observe the skills and qualifications highlighted in these job postings. Make a list of the skills you possess that match these requirements. Consider updating your profile to reflect these skills prominently. Next, reach out to your network and ask for informational interviews. This will help you gain insights into job expectations in your field. Be proactive in joining relevant LinkedIn groups. Engage with group discussions to further showcase your expertise. Monitor the trends and job openings shared within these groups. Finally, assess your overall LinkedIn presence. Ensure that your profile picture, headline, and summary align with your job aspirations. Regularly update your profile based on the insights you've gathered. By maintaining an active and relevant LinkedIn profile, you increase your chances of attracting the right job signals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.